for the standard and the large, we do actually have something called add-ons, and we have a variety of different ones which you can apply to your tower. This one is the first one, and it's a solid triangle, and it's designed to slot straight in there. Just pop a little bit of glue on it, and then you can actually add on to it your little tiny inks. If I just spin it round, you should be able to see where we've got little tiny inks in already. You can have your mini archivals, your mini distress inks, your dewdrop inks, whatever you fancy really. And if you have the large Inky Wizz, you could actually have your complete collection of distress oxides in the larger shelves, and then if you purchase the add-ons, you could have your complete collection of your little mini distress inks. So you'd have both types of the oxides and the normal distress inks all in one storage place, really easy to access. So that's the solid shelf. Then we also have another add-on which is designed to hold your blending tools. Now you may find, dependent on your blending tool, that you might need to actually very lightly just sand the corners there to allow for the handle to slot in easily. It really depends on the blending tool that you've purchased. So if I spin this round carefully, and again that will just slot into there like that. Again, you would need to apply glue, and then your blending tool will just slot on like that. Another add-on we have two different sizes now, a medium size and a large size. And these, originally we designed these just to hold the eggs, but they hold all sorts of other things as well. So if you look here, again, the principle is exactly the same. Slot into there, and then you can slot various items into it. I'm trying to find something to fit. Oh, sorry, enamel accents will fit perfectly in there, and your mini glossy accents will fit in there too. Or you can take that one out. If you choose not to have that size, there is a larger size which pops in here like this, and these are perfect for your Nouveau drops, and you could have those going all the way around. And as I spin it slowly, you'll see we've got glossy accents there, we've got memento ink pads, we've got storage for thread, we've got the little ink daubers that pop in there, oops, it's alive, that pop in there. You've got your Adirondack inks, enamel accents, mini archivals, distress oxides, you've got your VersaFine Clair, you've got archival inks, another egg there, glue sticks, different types of inks. Really, we've not really found an ink pad that doesn't fit this apart from the Stampin' Up range, and we do have a Super Wizz which helps to accommodate larger sized ink pads. The only thing you need to do once you've fitted your add-ons on is decorate your unit if you choose to. What we recommend is that you give it time for everything to dry, the lid, overnight, and then prime it, probably just with a primer. We found it much easier using spray paints, spray acrylic paints, but you can just dab on if you choose, or use a brush. And you can also then choose your colour to spray afterwards with acrylic paint. You can also use mixed media techniques to decorate it, and then seal it once it's finished. And then Kay and I think this really will last you a crafting lifetime.